आप लोगों को मतलब थैंक्स करते हैं और आप लोगों का सपोर्ट की इस पार्टी को बहुत जरूरत है। और हम लोग जो
political alliance with the non-BJP parties here, secular parties. Indian, I would like to appeal to you all to cooperate with IMMI. We will also try to probe whether any kind of political alliance is possible with the non-BJP parties in Jharkhand. We will try our level best. We have already started some dialogue with the people concerned. If that is failing, our state government is suggesting that we may contest in few seats in the parliament and in some few seats in the assembly also. They have sent the proposal to the National Committee. National Committee will have its meeting and finally we may take a positive decision in accordance with the recommendation of the State Committee. That is our political strategy for the 2019 election.